It's time to give the Democrats some competition for African American votes and for Hispanic votes.
If he wants to win the minority vote, then Donald Trump's got a job on his hands, because in recent elections, the Democrats have dominated here. In 2012, Barack Obama won 93% of African American votes and 71% of Hispanic. Compare that with Republican Mitt Romney's numbers. So can Donald Trump do anything to close that gap?
And at the end of 4 years, I guarantee you that I will get over 95% of the African American vote. I promise you.
Right now, that seems highly unlikely, given that Donald Trump has polled at 0% with African Americans in some states, and right now, nationally, he's at around 8%.
You're living in poverty, your schools are no good, you have no jobs. What the hell do you have to lose?
Mr. Trump's latest speeches are making a direct pitch to black voters, promising to improve education and economic opportunities for them. But will it convince them?
You keep hitting those issues. Can it resonate? Yes, I think it can, particularly in southern communities that tend to be a bit more traditional, who look and say, I didn't have these opportunities as a child, but maybe my children or my grandchildren might.
Now, the Hispanic vote could be much harder for Donald Trump to win, given that he's offended so many with some of his comments.
They're bringing drugs, they're bringing crime, they're rapists.
As part of his new outreach, he's now taking counsel from a team of Hispanic advisors and is showing signs of a softer approach to immigration. But don't expect that wall idea to go away.
We will build the wall 100%, and Mexico will be paying.
But it'll be difficult for Donald Trump to cut into Hillary Clinton's huge lead with minority voters. So is there another group that Donald Trump's actually aiming for?
Honestly, I think what he's doing is looking for independent white women voters. Because I think his outreach to people of color makes his appeal, his pitch, to be a bit more moderate, to be a bit more reasonable.
Donald Trump's reboot to reach minority voters comes at a relatively late stage in the campaign. The question is he talking to minority voters or about them? Either way,